Welcome to our Nugget Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver the beloved chewable nugget ice, but they come with different features, prices, and cleaning systems. Let's find out which one stands out in this countertop comparison. When it comes to pricing, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to enjoy nugget ice without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker comes in at a higher price of $359, reflecting its premium features and advanced cleaning system. While both machines produce similar amounts of ice, the price difference is significant and may influence your decision depending on your budget. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker features a basic self-cleaning system that relies on water circulation, which may not be sufficient for thorough cleaning over time. In contrast, the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker boasts a one-touch deep cleaning system powered by a high-pressure pump, ensuring superior hygiene and maintenance. This advanced cleaning mechanism allows for a more thorough flush of the internal components, making it a more appealing choice for those who prioritize cleanliness. Noise levels are another important factor to consider. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker does not advertise a low noise level, which may lead to noticeable compressor noise during operation. In contrast, the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker operates quietly at just 50 decibels, making it a great choice for those who want to enjoy their ice without disruptive sounds. This quiet operation is a significant advantage for users who plan to use the machine in shared spaces. In conclusion, both the Ecozy and Typhur Nugget Ice Makers offer unique advantages. If you're looking for an affordable option that delivers great value, the Ecozy is a fantastic choice. However, if you prioritize advanced cleaning features and quiet operation, the Typhur is worth the investment. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.